ready for departure, runway 22 right.
Night Rider 1-1 flight, Hotel Tower, runway 22 right at Foxtrot, wind calm, cleared for takeoff.
Night Rider cleared, takeoff, runway 22 right.
Night Rider 1-1, frequency change approved to the air boss.
Night Rider 1-1, frequency.
TV7, you can follow the Ospreys and frequency change approved air boss. TV7, verify you are headed into the TFR with the Ospreys.
Hey, TV7, A4 will be swapping frequencies and we'll be doing the same thing tomorrow.
Okay, TV7, copy all, frequency change approved, see you tomorrow.
7 tomorrow.
Raider 1, runway 22 left, wind calm, cleared for takeoff at your discretion, time now 1759er Zulu, change to the air boss.
Raider 1 is cleared for takeoff, expect I'll roll in about 2 minutes, thanks. Raider 1's rolling.
Copy, thank you. Raider 2, runway 22 left, wind calm, cleared for takeoff, time now 1811 and 1/2 Zulu.
Raider 2's clear for takeoff, I'll be up to 1,000 feet and switching air box.
Raider 2, frequency change approved, change to departure. Night Rider 1-1, verify you're coming in from the TFR.
ASO coming in for the TFR as well.
Night Rider 1-1, runway 4 left, wind 150 at 3, clear to land.
Night Rider 1-1 flight. 4 miles.
Bird 1, to reiterate the departure instructions, fly heading 180 on departure at or below 1,000. You'll be switching directly to the air boss. One runway 22 left, wind 180 at 5, cleared for takeoff, frequency change approved, have a good one. Raider 1, traffic is a Boeing 737 just crossing the shoreline inbound to Long Beach, just south of the airport at 1,700. Maintain VFR at or below 1,000. Wind 190 at 8. Runway 22 left, cleared for takeoff and change to the air boss. Snowbird 1, flight, line up and wait, 22 left.
Line up and wait, 22 left, Snowbird.
Snowbird 1, flight, wind 1807, runway 22 left, you're clear for takeoff, and you're also cleared to change to air boss direct on the 180 departure, below 1,000, or up to 1,000.
Clear takeoff and we'll switch to the air boss, so Snowbird 1 flight.
1000, you can contact Airbus at this time. Runway 22 left, wind 20 at 8, clear for takeoff. There's a fire truck left of runway and an ops truck right of runway on Echo 1, clear for takeoff. Ranger 10, there's a TV helicopter just to your right side of 1400. He's holding position. He won't be a factor. Just to reiterate, 180 to 1000, you can contact the Airbus. 180 1000, traffic inside board.